This video is very Cricut Beginner Basics, how to download and install fonts. So we're going to Dafont.com. This is a free font downloader for personal use. So we're gonna go ahead and type in I love glitter. Now you can look up any font you want, you can scroll and look what you like. So I'm just gonna show you with this font. Select download. Now you're going to go to your downloads folder. So I'm just going to click right here and open that up. Once you're in your downloads folder, you will see a folder that has a zipper on it, and that is a zipped file. So you're going to double click on that and then double click on the one that says True Type Font. Then it's going to open up this window and you're going to double click on install. Give it a moment to install to your computer. And then you're going to see if your Cricut Design Space is currently open as you're doing this. When you go to your text and look for the font, it will still not be there. So at first I was super confused. What you need to do is make sure that you exit off of Cricut Design Space completely and open it back up again. This is going to make sure that it kind of reboots with the new updated font. And then, like now, you'll see that I'm able to type in my text, go to my font here in the drop down on Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to type in search font, I love glitter. There is my font, and the reason I love this font so much is because it has a lot of glyphs, which are kind of like little characters with your keyboard that you can use to make some cute things. I've shown how to use this font in many tutorials like this one here, so if you want to learn more, follow, stick around, and subscribe for Cricut tips and tricks. If you're looking for any specific beginner-friendly tutorial, I have this playlist right here, which is step-by-step beginner Cricut tutorials for you. Otherwise, I have tons more Cricut and crafty content on my channel, so I would love it if you would consider sticking around, subscribing, and I will see you all in the next one. Happy crafting! Bye-bye!